Hi to everybody. So I'm glad to see you today. I am organizing this webinar for my partners, and I'm going to share you with our current updates and with our future release. So today, three main subjects which I am going to present are new full updated e-commerce and galleries in Site.pro, absolutely unique customizable interface for your website builder, and predesigned set of elements for each plugin. So I'm going to start with a new full updated e-commerce, and I would like to inform you that our team has improved e-commerce according to customers' needs. We have added new functionality, and I'm going to show you live a website builder and what we have added to site builder functionality. So I have opened the template with e-commerce, and I'm going to start from store cart. First of all, we have added new payment methods such as bank transfer and cash on delivery. We got a lot of requests from our end customers and from our partners to add these payment methods and to allow end customers accept payments using bank transfer and cash on delivery. So you can inform your clients about this functionality inside the Pro. Invoices have appeared inside the Pro, and your clients can create invoices inside Builder. Here they need to add information about company, and we provide two modes for invoices, simple and advanced. With simple one, everything is very easy. With advanced, you should use this instruction below. And if you would like to make some changes in invoice series, you should use this explanation, which you can find below. For example, if you need to add year to invoice number, you should use the first line instruction. And here you will see the example. Also, you can see that requirement for the customer to add to agree to terms and conditions appeared inside Builder. And minimum order price can be specified for orders. So your clients, your website owners will not allow to make orders less than some price. I'll show you live preview after I'll explain all functionality, and you will see these changes in preview. What we did in catalog, we made items management more convenient, and if I add new item appears in the beginning of the list, and before it was the last one. We have added SEO information for each item, and now it will be more easy to find online store in search engines. Properties for thousand separator appeared in Site Builder. Also, you can find the new functionality. It is Buy Now button. This button allows website owners to provide quick purchase process and to exclude adding to the store cart. And also you can add to cart button to the items list. Maybe the last but not the less important update is related with filters. We allow our end customers to change filter position. We allow end customers to switch off filter at all before it was not possible. We have added sorting, and we have added ability to change the item view. I click apply, and I'm going to show you all these changes. I have added new item without image. This is why you can see here the item without the image. You can see that filter appeared in the left side of website. Two buttons appeared, add to cart and buy now. When I click buy now, I see the purchase process. I see ability to proceed checkout without adding to the store cart. Actually, you can find sorted here by price and date. And this is the ability to change the view for items, which I mentioned before. So all these updates are related with e-commerce, and now e-commerce became more functional, and your clients can start to sell their items using online stores, which can be created with Site.pro. We have added few new plugins to Site Builder, Pay Me and Be Paid related with e-commerce. These two plugins are payment gateways, and we have added new communication channel to Site.pro as well. Also, I would like to say that at the moment we provide 28 payment gateways to accept payments for items in online stores, and probably you will not find other website builder with such big number of payment gateways. We worked on templates. We have updated few categories, energy as well. And maybe I would like to mention one of the most important updates with templates. For those clients who has enterprise license, we created the ability to create templates in your own language. Before, it was possible to create templates, custom templates just in English, and at the moment you're able to create your own templates in your own language and using your own text, your phrases, and so on. So you will not need to translate them. You're able to use any text in templates which you would like to add. Next update is related with galleries. We have made many changes in galleries. We have added new functionality, additional gallery type, and more convenient images management. Let me show you inside Builder all this functionality. If you need to change the position of the image in the gallery, you should drag and drop the element and change the location. You can add a title for each image, description for each image, and link. If I click apply, all these changes were applied to my gallery, and I'm able to show you preview. You see that the title appeared for image and description appeared for image. According to our customers' needs, we have added new type of gallery, and it's called masonry. So your clients can use new type of galleries inside Site.pro. It was almost everything about our current updates, and I would like to share some news with you, what we are going to add to Site Builder in the next few weeks. This is the subject about absolutely unique customizable interface for your website builder. We got many requests from our partners to change website builder interface. So we decided to create such ability for you. We got requests to change position of buttons, to change toolbars position, to implement some UX tests, and so on. So our team is developing an API at the moment, which will allow you to create an absolutely new interface for your website builder. You will be able to provide your customers a unique product, and nobody will recognize that it's Site.pro. You will have absolute freedom in design and navigation, and you will be able to change the interface and implement UX tests by yourself without asking us. This is just the example. You see the toolbar looks really different from current toolbar which you see in Site Builder. And main functionality I'm talking about plugins appeared in the left side of Site Builder. So you'll be able using this API to change interface for Site Builder and make these changes all the time you need. We provide possibilities for you to change this interface. We provide API which you can use by yourself and implement all changes by yourself. Or you can ask our team to create design and integrate this design. And the third one, you can create design by yourself and integrate and ask us to integrate this design for you. We can talk about this update, about this API and changes with individually with everybody of you. And we can contact after this webinar using the mail sales@site.pro or Skype site.pro. The last but anyway, a very important update is Predesigned set of elements for each plugin. I'll explain you how it works at the moment and what we're going to add and to make. If you add, for example, button, or if you add the shape to Site Builder, you got some element which should be redesigned, and your end customer should create the design and should create the concept for this for each element. By clicking properties, he needs to change colors, he needs to change style, and so on. It's the same for all elements. When you add YouTube or galleries or images or Google Maps, you get the element which you should change and resize, change the style, and so on. What we are going to do is to provide the set of elements for each plugin, and every plugin in Site Builder, such as button, forms, menu, languages, lines, shapes, and so on, and all these elements which you see in Site Builder will have pre-designed set of elements, and your end customers will be able to select that one which they like. Of course, they will be able to change the properties for each element after they selected, for example, this pink button. It will be possible to redesign, to resize, to change the style, to change colors, and so on. But anyway, to create more beautiful website will become more easy for your end customers. So this is all what I wanted to say about our current updates about future releases. And I would like to ask you to write your questions in chat, and I'll try to answer them. Just the first question is related with enterprise license. Just to make sure, you need the enterprise license to have custom templates. With enterprise license, the Site Builder will be hosted on the website hoster's web server. Yes, if you purchase enterprise license, a website builder should be hosted on your server. Premium license, if you select premium license, website builder will work from our cloud, and you will be able to select the location in Asia, Europe, United States, or Brazil, and we have in Russia one server more. But if you have enterprise license, you will have ability to create templates and customize these templates. Also, with enterprise license, you'll be able to create your own plugins. But you should install Site Builder on your server. If you want to roll out in Brazil, in the app transfer to Brazil port and do you have Brazilian payment gateway? Yes, we have Brazilian payment gateway. I'll try to show you all payment gateways at the moment which we use. So we have PayU payment, PayU Money payment gateway. We have Mercado Pago payment gateway, If you miss some payment gateway, you should ask our support team to add this payment gateway to our roadmap. Or you can use documentation which we provide on our website for developers and create this plugin by yourself. So there are two possibilities for you: to ask our support team and we will add this payment gateway to the roadmap. And the second one, to implement and to integrate payment gateway by yourself using this documentation. We have many partners. I'm talking about hosting providers who already did it and have local payment gateways. And if you have enterprise license, it means that you can create a unique payment gateway for yourself, and only your clients will be able to use these payment gateways. And it will be your competitive advantage comparing with other hosting providers who sell the same site builder for their clients. What about the Brazilian Portuguese, if you mean language? We have translation to Portuguese, yes. It's translated, site builder is translated, and you can provide site builder for your clients in Brazilian language. Is there any news about automatic layout? Is it going to be the default in the future? Yes, actually we are working on auto layout at the moment, and I think that we will have it very soon. In a few months we will update it, you will see the new version of auto layout. About our plans to switch off all manual modes, I already told many times to our customers. When we improve auto layout and it works really well, really good, so we'll switch off all other modes, and this mode, automatic layout, will be available for everybody, and it will be the only one version for responsive, the only one functionality for responsive websites. The question from Pablo, one other question: who should we contact to deliver a demo to partner in Brazil? Actually, I'm not sure what do you mean to deliver a demo to a partner. If you need some demo version, you should contact me after this webinar by mail, sales@site.pro, and we will agree about demo version. But I'm not sure that I understood your question. Live demo to customer, every our partner who has some license, it doesn't matter which one, enterprise or premium, get demo version, white label demo version. So if you have active license, or if you have trial license, and you filled out this license, it means that you have demo version. If you don't know where to get it, you can write me after this webinar. I'll show you in your account where you can find this demo version, and you can provide this demo for your clients. Okay, now I need to return to previous questions. What is the main difference comparing you with competitors like Wix here in Brazil? Okay, the main difference, and probably our unique functionality, and I guess most of you already know about this functionality, is website import. Ability to import any website to Site Builder by entering the domain name. It's a demo for website import. It looks a little bit different in Site Builder, but this is the ability for anybody, for all your end clients, to add any domain name and import any website to Site Builder. And the accuracy of result will be really high comparing with the initial website. Of course, you can find some differences between the result and the initial website, but anyway, it's not the same when you import a website, when you create a website from scratch. If I would like as some customer to move my existing website to Site Builder and continue managing it, I am able just to add domain name and click import, and website will be functionality, so you know that the accuracy will be really high. So website import, which can attract new clients not only to Site Builder but to your hosting as well. Website import is a really unique functionality, and advertising this functionality, you can be sure that only Site.pro Site Builder will have this functionality, and Wix never should have, just because we're starting to prepare the pattern for this functionality, and it means that nobody else will be able to use the same technology. Okay, Paul, maybe I misunderstood your question about live demo. Maybe you are talking about kind of help, kind of webinars for end customers. What we can provide you, it is interactive video guides, and you can integrate the same interactive video guide to your hosting website, and this guide will be white label. So you can choose the same guide for your end customers. This guide shows you how to work with Site Builder, and you can integrate this guide and show it on your hosting website. This guide is translated to all languages in Site Builder, and it helps your clients to understand how a website builder works and what is possible to make with Site Builder. It helps you to educate your clients how to work with Site Builder. Do you have a date when auto load will be available as default option? I'm not sure about the date, but it should be in few months. Actually, we had the plan to update auto load till CloudFest, which will be in 1 month, but I'm not sure about until CloudFest, but after CloudFest we should update and release new version of auto load, and we are planning to disable all our other options and leave only this one, so it will be by default for everybody. Please let me know if I missed some questions, and will you have more questions to me today? So if you don't have more questions, we can finish today with this webinar. Next webinar will be in September. If you would like to ask something else, or if you would like to contact me after this webinar by mail or Skype, you can see my contacts here. Also, we can discuss this customizable interface, your own unique customizable interface with everybody of you individually. If you want to know conditions and terms, just write me in Skype or by mail. So thank you everybody who participated today, and hope we will see in September you. Those of you who are going to attend CloudFest, contact me by mail and we will agree, we will schedule the meeting, and we will meet at CloudFest and discuss our collaboration as well. So thank you everybody, and see you soon.